Ayan, Mike. Bigyan nyo ninyo ng ano to. Bigyan nyo ng, ayan, ang dami, may dalawang ano dyan. Dati duwati nga, kunin kanyo ti limos. Ayan. Hello? Taga saan po? Can I help you?
Please give us some cash for food, please. Ano po ito?
Ito, dito kami sa gitna ng disyerto. Wow. Lapang haircut, oh. May katay na kapos na yan.
Oh.
Paycheck!
Anong paycheck?
Paycheck!
Anong paycheck? Paycheck?
Paycheck!
Outfit check?
Outfit check!
Tufo? Abala?
Outfit check! Check! May LV? See.
Abala?
Check! Bye! Ayan yung mga
Merienda.
mga mga mangisbo. Mga mangisbo. Mga luggages. There you go.
Madam Madonna?
The mangisbo. Nasa ano?
Friends, we're going to Las Vegas. I'm excited.
Sana all. Mel!
It's good news. I'm using XL here, not XXL.
Sana all.
We're now on our way to Las Vegas.
Okay.
Anak nga mabata ng mga isbo.
Okay, let's go.
Go again.
Go again. Let's go. Ganda ng mga ano, bundok
Kaya dahil pagka-natural na niya.
Wait lang. I'm eating pandesal. Yeah, I'm hungry, guys.
Eh, pag-inom na tinapay.
You hear me?
Anawat tinom o brayo, hindi maduna nga kanta-kanta kayo, maramitan nyo. Ako, nilabel mana ka ba? Pati ka tawak laon. Mga ngamin, aji, agbabanding suman mo. Dali yung aji kasi singo ngamin nga narse. Nag-apply na mga banja, Australia.
Oh.
Nang hindi lang aji medical, aji lang ay na. Aji lang tikurang na ko nga. Baka nung manuntuan makapangkayo, manuntuan nga taon-taon nga. Nandito nga kinyitan.
Ay, so tayo dyan nga nagkanta-kanta tayo.
Mana, jadi no Sunday yun, kami ang ipon nga.
It's okay. That's enough.
A few moments later.
Mel! Di ba na? Huwag kami. Ayan.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto State Route 172.
Taas na.
In 1.9
Hoover
miles,
Dam,
turn
here we
right into
go.
parking lot.
We're here!
Amsterdam. Dadam na nga rin.
Bandam.
Ano natin manang?
That's the expressway na yung madam.
Ang laki, I'm asking ka ron.
First time na road, guys.
1 hour later.
So guys, asan tayo ngayon, guys?
Hoover na!
Boy, okay.
Hoover Dam.
Hi!
We are now here at Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Bye-bye. Mo naka-record.
Yeah, it's recording. Hello? It's recording.
Pagtagulo ito yung baka may batak.
Meanwhile.
Hoover Dam!
First time garon. First time garon.
Hoover Dam.
Ayan na, tama mo sa pula na. Kapal.
Thousand years later.
Ayan.
Nag-selfie na lang tanggol. Sana ako na yung imalang. Nag-selfie na lang.
Sebelah pura singgah. Ay, Rishak. Amom niya. Amom niya, Mel. Picture na nga picture kanya da. Di na pa pictureon. Ay, so, sapo. Intono ko na dadaya itatadar na dita. Wina. Wina. Kung kuna na. Kung kuna na dito. Apo siya complete. Ay, so, sapo. Ayan o. Wina. Kung kuna na itatadar na dito. Ayan, pinaka-picture na ko na ako na.
Nag-picture ni Ma'am G.
Na-picture na Diyos ko. Ay, sapo. Hello?
Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world.
Bumalik ulit kami sa taas. Kasi wala kaming ticket. Kailangan namin bumili ng ticket. Ayan. There you go. There. Yan. Yan, may mga kabayan doon. Ha?
Kaya mag-photograph ka ni Dora?
Ha?
Photograph ka ni Dora?
Dora the Explorer? Ayun na.
Saan ano?
It's a prank. Bababa daw kami.
Ay, tao! Kung sumuli ka
Sure naman.
Pagkatang ticket.
Hmm? Ay, wag muna, wag muna.
From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge.
Group photo tayo din eh.
A few moments later.
Ayan, May. Bigyan nyo ninyo ng ano to. Bigyan nyo ng, ayan, may dalawang ano dyan. Dati duwat ti nga, kanyo ti limos. Ginagawa mo. Hello? Taga saan po? Can I help you?
And please give us some cash for food, please.
Ginagawa mo.
Kasama po lang pala palinis eh.
In Nevada County Wall Center, and there are 2 in the Arizona County Wall Center. We are in the inner Nevada diversion hub. This balcony was not designed for athletic people. You only have a bunch of 40 or so, 60, so we should have plenty. If you went to a rail, maybe on a rail, take pictures. I encourage you guys to keep moving around, take different pictures at different angles. Please take your pictures now, because once we're done, we're going to have to separate into 2 groups. We'll have to be making our way out of here. I'm just waiting for the last.
That's the reason why they're not gambling at all. Yeah. Did people like panicking? I was at the gym at that time, and I'm just like going, oh, okay, so I have to rush home to possibly die now. Thankfully, it was just an error, but it still stressed us all out. That is true, yeah. All right, guys, so as you wait for your turn, I'm going to ask you stay on the right-hand side of the hallway. That way, those coming out, they will exit on their right.
We just take a picture here and back.
Stairway to heaven. Kaya kung nga uli yung day jay.
You can wait for them there. Oh, the picture will be posted.
Kahit ko nga picture di, kahit ko ti umuli di dyan eh.
Tadi malapas na mo sa panaga.
Okay, here we go. Come on out. Arizona's to the right, Nevada's to the left.
Okay.
Arizona's to the right, Nevada's to the left.
To the left, to the left. I know, picture tayo to yun, ane.
Yes, sir. Enjoy your day.
Selfie.
Yes, sir. You too. Take care.